This course is divided into 15 sections, so you can explore IT fundamentals step by step. Let's take a look at what each section has in store for you. Section 1, Introduction to IT. In the first section, we'll go over the basics. What exactly is IT? Why is it so important? What a computer really is and its unique language of zeros and ones. Section 2, Computer Components. Here, we'll dive into the essential building blocks of a computer: hardware, software, operating systems, networking, databases, storage, virtualization, cloud, and security. Section 3, Hardware in Depth. Now, we'll take a closer look at computer hardware. We'll cover the different types of computers: RAM, CPU, cores and sockets, 32-bit versus 64-bit architecture, hard drives, motherboards, and internal and external components. Section 4, Operating Systems. This section focuses on operating systems, different types of OS, key functions, how OS is built, CLI versus GUI, the boot process, and file systems. Section 5, Software Overview. We look at types of softwares: system software, application software, freeware, open source, BIOS, and different programs and services. Section 6, Networking Basics. In the networking section, we'll cover how computers communicate with each other: the IP addresses, TCP/IP protocols, gateways, subnet masks, MAC addresses, OSI layers, protocols, and networking devices. In the section 7 of databases, we'll go through database basics, RDBMS, SQL, and top RDBMS platforms using SQL. Section 8, Storage. Here, we'll discuss how to measure storage in KB, MB, GB, the different types of storage, the differences between RAM, swap, virtual memory, and cache, hard drives, SSDs, and RAID. Section 9. In Section 9, we'll have an introduction to virtualization and cloud, how virtualization works, key terms and benefits, differences between virtualization and cloud, setting up Oracle VirtualBox, and creating virtual machines. In Section 10, we'll cover types of security breaches and threats, comparing home and computer security, securing your operating system, security tools, server security, and application and database encryption. Section 11, Windows Management. In this section, we'll cover different Windows versions, downloading and installing Windows, system access, file systems, user account management, resource monitoring, event logs, server manager, checking system hardware, roles and features, and Active Directory and domain controller. Section 12, Linux OS Management. Here, we'll manage Linux distributions, download and install a distribution, accessing Linux, installing the PuTTY client, accessing Linux VMs with PuTTY, file system structure, navigation commands, creating directories and files, and system utility and monitoring commands. Section 13, Troubleshooting. Learning to solve issues is essential. We'll cover the policies and standards, documentation, and the ticketing process. Section 14, Introduction to AI. A basic intro to AI: what it is, its history, key features, benefits, limitations, and of course, a bit about ChatGPT. Section 15, Introduction to DevOps. And finally, we'll take a leap into the world of DevOps. What is DevOps, its history, the challenges it solves, and the importance and benefits it brings to the IT field. So, let's get started on this journey and dive into the exciting world of IT with loads of new concepts and skills waiting for you.